Let's make some data banks. 85. 85 times 10 would be 850. 85 times 100 equals 8,550. That one's going to be too small or too large. We're not going to need that number. We won't be able to take 8,500 out of this. So perhaps we can do an 85 times 50. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry 2. 40, 42. That is going to help right here. So let's take our, we're going to do an 85. We're going to take this number off to the side, 67, 61. And this is where we'll keep track of our partial products. Okay, so we'll use a 50 to begin with. That gives us 4250. Now this becomes too high. We're between the 50 and the 10, so let's try 85 times 30. Let's give it a 0. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry 1. 3 times 8 is 24, and 1 more is 25. 2550. Oh, we're just slightly too high, so 30 is also going to be out. We could do 85 times 20. That would be 5 times 2 is 10. Carry 1, 16, and 1 more is 17. That would be our next pick at 20. This would be the number that it would divide or multiply into. Our subtraction. Okay, and we're ready to go again here. 811, well, that takes that number out, and this one's not any good anymore, and neither is this, the 8 times 10. So why don't we try 85 times 5? That one, when we did 85 times 50, we got 4,250. We'll just take a 0 off of this one, and we can use the number 425. That's going to help. So let's take a 5 out of this. 425 can get subtracted. 6, 8, and 3. All right, so we have, this is not a good answer anymore for us. So we're just left with the 85 times 1, unless we would like to try something between that. We have 85 times 2, 85 times 3, 85 times 4. The middle number seems to be a good idea. So we could do, we did 85 times 30 up here. So let's take the 0 off, and that would give us 255. That would work. So let's use a 3. 255 is 1, is 3, is 1. Now this is too high. So we can either do an 85 times 2 calculation or work with our 1. Let's work with our 1. I'll give it a 1 here and see what happens. Our subtraction, and 4. So that was a good idea, not to go any higher. Our remainder is 46. And the partial quotients are added together. We've got 5, 8, 9, and 7. So it's our answer, our full answer is 79, remainder 46. This would be division that is outside the box with a data source, so we could refer.